The clock is ticking. We're now less than a week away from Mother's Day. And for those of you still looking for that perfect gift, we have some tips for helping mom relax and feel pampered this year. Joining me today, Jane Park, CEO and founder of Julep Nail Parlor, as well as Lisa Hahn, Julep's beauty director. Welcome back, ladies.
Great to see you again.
Now, with Mother's Day just around the corner, what beauty ideas do you have for mom?
Well, what mom needs, especially these days, is to take a break. And so we created a package to be able to pamper from head to toe. And we have a great package for Mother's Day called Beauty Head to Toe. It includes a facial, an organic facial, and a pedicure. And it's regularly $142, but we're offering it for $98.
That's a great deal for mom. And organic facials, you guys are very excited about this. You've had facials for about a year. They don't just do nails, they do facials too. What is this product and why are you so excited about it?
Well, we just launched our new facial line, the Omaroma organic facial line, which is wonderful because all of the ingredients, just like our Julep line, are paraben-free, no formaldehyde, no mineral oils, so it's really good for your skin. I don't think a lot of people realize that if you care about organic eating, you need to care about organic products on your skin because your skin absorbs just like the food you put in your body.
So you want to read those labels too.
Yeah.
You mentioned some pretty interesting ingredients in the organic line.
Yep. There's truffles, champagne oil, red raspberry, which is a natural SUV, oatmeal, honey.
Okay, and how are the organic facials different than just the regular facials that you walk in? Is it a different technique too, or is it just you guys focus on the ingredients?
Yeah, focus on the ingredients. It's a very active line, so again, the natural factor of it is just really, really good for you. So
for those of us who want to splurge our mothers, you guys have a membership plan. What is the membership plan all about, Jane?
So what's great for moms is being able to look forward every month to some time that she can have to herself. And so we launched a membership program actually just last week. And it's innovative, it's new, it's the only place in the industry that has this today. And what we're offering is for $54 a month, mom can come in for a organic facial or a luxurious spa pedicure every month. So she can decide which one she wants.
So it's the gift that keeps giving once a month for mom. It's not a one-time thing.
And so the 3 month is the minimum commitment. And then we also have a PDQ club, which is a manicure, a 20-minute manicure or an eyebrow design she can pick every month. And you also have access to great membership pricing on all of our awesome services, our manicures, pedicures, eyelash extensions.
You guys do it all, don't you? And there's just a very tiny sample of the manicure, pedicure stuff that you guys brought, lotions and things like that. And the cool thing that I've noticed is you also have the express version of everything too, right? So if you don't have all the time in the world, you can do it quickly.
Our PDQ manicure is a pretty darn quick manicure for just, it's 20 minutes and it's just $18.
What are the most popular, before I let you go, what are the most popular things for moms you think right now?
I think the most popular thing is to really take care of her. She takes all of her time to take care of you, so it's different ways to take care of her and show her that you care. So we love the idea of a service. It's environmentally friendly, and it's a way to really treat her and give her some pampering, because she pampers you a lot.
So true. Thank you so much for being here, Lisa and Jane. Great ideas. Good to see you again. Happy early Mother's Day to you guys. And for more information on these Mother's Day gift ideas, it's all on our website. Just go to KOMOnews.com and click on KOMO4 TV. Coming up next, a Seattle